Welcome to my channel. I'm looking for a way to achieve a 24-hour free heating system. No gas, no electricity needed. First, I'll use an empty tin can that I just used up the cleaning solution inside. I'll clean the paint off the outside with paint remover, applying it evenly across the entire surface of the tin can, ensuring it's clean. This will prevent any odors during heating and ensure clean air. Next, I'll drill a 30mm hole using a specialized drill bit and remove the air valve inside the can. Then I'll use a marker to mark the vent holes for the heater. These require meticulous attention to detail and even spacing for optimal efficiency. Which country are you watching this video from? Please comment to share your best method with me. I've finished making the holes with a sharp iron rod. They're all complete and evenly spaced. Now I'll treat the paint on the corrugated iron sheet I cut from the old roof. Heat it to remove the paint, then use a wire brush to scrub it smooth and clean, ensuring it works effectively during heating. I'm doing it very carefully. My homemade heater is about 50% complete. Now I'll bend the steel wires to make a support frame. You can make it to any size you like. I won't specify the dimensions here. Each type of can will fit a different support frame, and your creativity is limitless. In times of scarcity or emergency, I utilize everything around me. I hope this will inspire and save you in a critical situation. Remember to comment and let me know if you have a better idea. I'm ready to listen and improve to best suit these harsh conditions. And here's the carbon fiber fabric I've already soaked in denatured alcohol. I'm starting to put it inside the tin can we prepared earlier. I've filled about 40% of the can space. To make sure it's airtight, I'll seal it with a metal stopper. Let's see what happens next. Hopefully, it will help me sustain myself for a day in winter without gas or electricity. I fix the tube on the stand, then add a moderate amount of denatured alcohol to stimulate combustion. Then heat the denatured alcohol I just soaked with the carbon fiber inside the can. Let's watch. You see, the flame is burning strongly and is blue, indicating that the alcohol has been completely released. Now I can place the sheet metal surface to complete the heater. The machine works very efficiently and produces quite a lot of heat. You should do this in a well-ventilated area to release some unwanted substances during the combustion process. I was able to warm myself up right after completing this project. It didn't take much time and was very easy to do. Anyone can do it. However, please always follow fire safety guidelines and remember to leave comments so I can improve in future videos. I want to optimize production costs as well as heating costs, making it as economical as possible. Importantly, through this, I get to interact and learn from you all. I've gained a lot of knowledge from skilled and talented people. Now that the heating is done, I'll flip the sheet to boil a cup of warm water for myself, rewarding myself with a cup of coffee after a relaxing day at work. It's amazing. It helps me maintain my life during the winter without gas or electricity. It's more effective than I expected. How about you?